Congratulations, you decided to invest in the stock market. Now, the very first thing you have to know when investing into stock and buying and selling companies is that particular company's ticker symbol. A ticker symbol is a mix of letters that represents the company on a stock exchange. And two of the most famous stock market exchange we hear about is the New York Stock Exchange, or the NYSE, or the NASDAQ. If the company is listed on the New York Stock Exchange, it can have up to 3 letters in the ticker symbols, and if it's listed on the NASDAQ, it will have 4 letters. And when you start researching and looking up companies that you like, you'll find that most of the ticker symbols coincides with the name of the company. Facebook, for example, will be under FB, Tesla will be under TSLA, and AT&T will be ATT. But once in a while, you come across companies that have very unique and clever and funny ticker symbols. I'm going to list off a few ticker symbols to begin with and see if you can figure out what company the ticker symbol represents. The first ticker symbol is CAKE, C-A-K-E. The second one is BEN, B-E-N. Third one is BUD, B-U-D. Next one is BID, B-I-D. FUN, F-U-N. FIZZ, F-I-Z-Z. EAT, E-A-T. PLAY, P-L-A-Y, P-S-S-A, CAR, C-A-R, H-O-G, HOG. Alright, so the very first one, CAKE, is for the Cheesecake Factory. B-E-N is for Franklin Resources. If you haven't guessed, BUD is for the company that makes Budweiser, so they just use the shortened version of Budweiser, so B-U-D. And BID is for Auction House Sotheby. FUN is for Cedar Fair, the amusement park. FIZZ is for the National Beverage Corporation. PLAY is for Dave & Buster's. PZZA is for Papa John's. CAR is for Avis Budget Group, the rental car company. And finally, HOG is for Harley Davidson. Alright, did you get all 11? Let me know down below how many you got right out of those. As you can see, sometimes the name of the companies don't really line up with the ticker symbols. So as a word of caution, when you do invest, make sure you double check and triple check the ticker symbols, because you don't want to end up investing in the wrong company. For example, I want to buy Apple stock, the iPhone maker, and I see a ticker symbol APLE, so I go ahead and buy APLE. But here's the thing, that is not the iPhone Apple company. APLE is a real estate investment company called Apple Hospitality, and they run a whole bunch of upscale hotels in the United States. The actual ticker symbol for Apple is AAPL, so if you're not careful, you might just end up investing in the wrong company. And you might think, that's so stupid, who doesn't check before buying or selling a company's stock? But I'm going to tell you a few instances where people actually were that stupid. On March 2019, Zoom Video Communications, a company that specializes in remote video conferencing, they went public under the ticker symbol ZM. However, some people weren't really paying attention and they ended up buying ZOOM, Zoom. Now, the company under ZOOM was a tiny Chinese wireless communications company that only had a market cap of $14 million. When Twitter was about to go public and reveal their ticker to be TWTR, people went and bought TWTRQ, which was a bankrupt Boston-based company. In 2004, when Google announced that they were acquiring the Nest thermostat company, the shares of Nest basically shot up through the roof. However, little did people know that Nest was a ticker symbol for Nestor, which was also a bankrupt company. In addition to ticker symbols being confusing and people investing in the wrong company, sometimes the same name confuses people. For example, when Johnson & Johnson announced that they were going to be buying Auris Health for $3.4 billion, shares of Auris Medical Holdings went up. And in 2014 again, when Facebook announced that they were buying Oculus Vision Tech went up as a result, because some people, they didn't realize that they were not the same company. All these accounts are very hilarious. However, this just goes to show that when investing, make sure that you do your due diligence, research, and above all, before you buy or sell a company by the ticker symbol, make sure you pick the correct ticker symbol. Alright guys, today is a pretty short video, but I hope you learned something about stock ticker symbols. And I hope you got a few chuckles out of the stories that I just mentioned as well. If you did enjoy this video, please drop a like and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. That's all I got for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Alright guys, bye!